India Business Leader Awards 2024 proudly presents the Entertainment Leader of the Year award to Rajkummar Rao.
Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for the very talented, very versatile Rajkummar Rao.
Congratulations, Rajkummar Rao. From Stree to Stree bowler, you've had quite the diverse range of roles. If you'd like to say a few words.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, CNBC TV18. Thank you, jury. It's such an honor to receive this prestigious award, and especially in front of this August gathering. Some of my favorite people are here. Thank you for recognizing my hard work. As you said, I always try and push my boundaries. I always try and explore challenging parts, and this year has been truly special with Srikanth and Stree too. So Stree and Stree, I think both have been very lucky for me. But thanks to you guys, nothing would have been possible without your support. Thank you, Geo Studios. Thank you, Mukesh sir, Neeta ma'am, for putting your faith in films like Stree and just to support our cinema. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good night.
A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, once again for the very talented Rajkummar Rao.
Well, it is now time to celebrate